Hello everyone, today we are going to be looking at how to prepare fish sauce. So these are the ingredients you'll be needing for your fish sauce. You need your tomatoes, the already sliced tomatoes and pepper, and this your onions, already sliced onions. There's the fish, and there's the groundnut oil, and there's the spice. You have your salt, you have your thyme, you have your curry. So we are going to be looking at how to prepare fish sauce. Before I continue, I'm going to be breaking this fish into bits. I will take out the bone, break it into bits. Please carefully take out the bones if you have children, if you have kids that needs to eat the food, so that they won't have issues with the bone. I'm going to be breaking it. Yes, carefully break it of taking out the bone. While breaking the fish, your oil should be on the fire. My oil is already on the fire, the groundnut oil I'm using. Then you can add your onions. Add your tomatoes, the sliced tomatoes. And keep stirring. Stir and allow it to fry. Also add your pepper, the sliced pepper. Stir and allow to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring, but it depends on the quantity you are, the quantity of the tomatoes. That will also determine the timing. But for this quantity, you stir and fry for like 3 minutes. So right now, I'm going to be adding my seasoning. I'm going to be adding my seasoning. And stir after adding the seasoning. Looking so beautiful already. Keep stirring. I'm going to be adding the fish, and the fish that I'm using today is Titus fish. It's actually Titus fish that I used. So Titus fish is better because it's sweeter. So I'm going to be adding my fish. Fish is the last thing to add. Add the fish and stir. After adding the fish, you stir again and fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. And today, I'm going to be serving this sauce with boiled yam. While this is on, the yam can be on the fire. I'm going to be serving this with boiled yam. You can also eat it with boiled rice or boiled plantain but we are going to be looking at boiled yam today. As you can see, the sauce is ready, so I'm going to be turning off the heat. The sauce is ready. My boiled yam is ready, so we are ready to taste this delicious meal. Breakfast is ready and served. This is what it looks like. I can't wait to taste this. You know, the reason why I use fish, sometimes you are always using egg. You are wondering what do you have to eat with yam. This is another alternative. This is really nice. Wow. Wow. Very yummy. You need to try this. You need to try this. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. See you some other time. Bye.